welcome to my channel, guys. So I'm basically a mechanical engineer, and I'm prepared this topic for beginners, those who are learning how to design and wants to become a design engineer. It's the first step, the basic concepts we have to learn. So here, so in this tutorial we are discussing, or we are talking about unit settings and why it is important, and what is the unit settings, and what is the unit of measurement, and how to set the unit of measurement in ZWCAD software. First of all, unit of measurement is whenever you have a drawing. So whenever you are reading something with geometries like rectangles or any complex drawings, there are so many parameters like length, width, height, diameter, radius, like different measuring parameters will be set. So those measuring parameters may be in millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, feet, like that. Different standards will be set for the different industry standards will be there. Like for the mechanical engineers, so in India we used to use millimeters in manufacturing sector. So it is minute to minute, for the manufacturing process we need to measure, and we have to solve the problems with the manufacturing process. For the inspection purpose, we used to measure the component dimensions in terms of millimeters, or in terms of meters, or in terms of centimeters. That is why, so whenever we produce the drawings, so we have to mention so unit of measurements, like all dimensions here, or in millimeters or meters, like that we have to specify that. So let's jump into the topic, jump into the ZWCAD software. Okay, this is the ZWCAD software. Here we have one rectangle and one circle profile I have. So here we don't know in what units it has drawn. Okay, so we don't know the length and width and diameter or radius of this circle, so we don't know. Okay, so length and width will be coming to the rectangle. These are the length and width parameters for the rectangle, and diameter and radius for the circle. Okay, we don't know. Okay, first what I will show you, I just want to show you the dimensions first, then I will show you how to set the units. Okay, so how to set the dimension style. So you type D. Okay, so what I will do, I will type D. So in the command prompt also you can type. Okay, so like this. So you type DM style. Okay, DM style, or else you type shortcut D. So some suggestions will come. Okay, dim style is the dimension style manager. Enter it. So you will get a dimension style manager dialog box. Here we can set the dimension styles here. In what units we want to show the dimensions, in what, like we want to show it in millimeters, or we want to show it in feet, in inches, like that we can set the dimension styling here. Okay, here, so what I will do, I will go for the modification. Now in the ISO 25 dimension styling is there, and standard is also there. So I'll go for the ISO 25 dimension styling. I just want to modify it. Okay, now the all things are done, but let's show you, let's dimension it first, and then I will come back to the point. Okay, so what I will do, I will give the linear dimensions. Okay, this is 100 units, this is 50 units. Okay, this is 50, but this is showing in terms of length. I don't want in terms of length, I want in terms of dim diameter. Okay, so I just want to show it in diameters. Diameter of this circle is 50. We don't know in what units we have set. So first thing what we have to do is go to icon, like ZWCAD icon here, click it, go to drawing utilities and go to units. Okay, go to dimension, go to drawing utilities, units. So now we are into the drawing units, we are setting the drawing units. Okay, there are various types of length formats are there. So in scientific way also we can draw the profiles or drawings, whatever we want to draw inside the model space. So initially it was decimal only, and it is in millimeters. Okay, if I want to show it in meters, we can show it. So you just set type, length type and angle type, and precision set to 0.00, and unit of scale inserted content into millimeters. Now these dimensions are in millimeters. Okay, now we understood. So you can type command prompt UN. So the suggestion will be units will be coming, you just enter and you will get the drawing units. You can set the units here. Okay, you can set it in inches, feet, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters, like many ways we can show the dimensions. We can set the unit of measurements. So what is the importance of unit of measurement? Okay, unit of measurements or unit setting. Sometimes if you don't show the unit of measurements for the next process, whenever you want to release the drawing for the manufacturing purpose, okay, so there you will get a lot of issues with the drawings. Somebody will be reading, so I thought it is a centimeter, no, it is a millimeter. But so along with that you have to mention these drawings are made in millimeters. Okay, read all the dimensions in millimeters, unit settings. And also we have shown it in 100 units. We have not shown it, it is not showing in millimeters. Okay, suffix or prefix, it will by default, if you are setting in millimeters, it won't show millimeters. Okay, in dimension styling also you can set whether you want to show it in feet or inches. You want to show it in inches, then you can show it. Okay, what I will do, so go for the dimension styling. Okay, modify it. I want to show the dimensions in inches. Okay, so go to engineering and set like this, and so better not to show it in engineering here, but in the alternative units you can show it. Now let it be decimals only, and let it be 0.00. Alternative units, you go and display alternative units. Display, you can show it in engineering and in inches, and this is in inches. That's good. Okay, so multiplier of all units, there is a unit conversion formula is there, it is already there. So you have to convert millimeters into inches. So whether it is correct or not, you have to check it. Point 0 millimeter to inches I am converting. I am showing the alternative units in the dimensions. Click OK, set current. Okay. So now see what is happening here. 100 millimeter is 4 inches approximately. So 1 inch is 25.4 millimeter. So accordingly it is approximately, it is showing 100 units means 4 inches. That is why, so for readability purpose, for communication purpose, you are going to communicate with you know uh, the labors, you are going to communicate with other parties like customers. So clearly you have to mention the unit of measurement. Otherwise whatever you are creating, it will create some discrepancies, like differences. They are going to create some mess with the manufacturing process, because they have to set the machines like that. For that purpose unit setting is very important. Okay, so first two things you have to make it. One thing is unit setting, second thing is dimension styling. Unit setting is for drawing lines, drawing profiles. Okay, and dimension style settings, you have to show the dimensions to that profile. You have to show to the customer that this is the rectangle with length and width, this is the circle with length and circle with radius or diameter. You can show it in radius also, no problem, I can show it in. Now I am not talking about how to use how to use the dimension. So I'm not explaining about the showing the dimensions. This topic is clearly based on setting the units and setting the dimension styles for the dimensions. Okay, thank you guys.